Hello, everyone. Today we are diving into an exciting aspect of AI and language models known as few shot prompting. This technique is essential for tailoring AI responses with minimal examples, making it highly effective for various applications. Let's break it down step by step. Few-shot prompting involves giving a language model a small number of examples before asking it to perform a task. This method helps the model understand not just the task at hand, but also the desired output format for the context better. For instance, when a language model is given a few examples of customer feedback, it can learn how to classify new feedback effectively. Let's see how this works in practice. Here, we are at the OpenAI playground. We'll input a few examples of customer feedback into the model. Each example is labeled with categories like product quality, shipping issues, customer service, pricing complaints. Now, we'll ask the model to classify a new piece of feedback without any additional guidance, relying solely on the few examples it has seen. Let's walk through an example of how few-shot prompting can be used to classify customer feedback into specific categories. First, we need to set up our system prompt. This prompt will guide the AI in understanding the type of response we expect when it encounters messages from users. Here's how we set up the prompt. So we begin with by clearly defining the task. Classify user messages into specific categories. And next, we provide guidance on what to do if the answer is not known, which in this case is to transfer the conversation to a consultant. Then we explain how to handle messages about product issues like identifying common problems and asking for more details. Now, let's look at a couple of examples that we will use for training. These examples are crucial because they show the model exactly how to handle similar real world queries. So, the first example is about product quality. If a user complains about a product defect, like an overheating laptop, the model learns to classify this as a product quality issue. It's trained to ask for more details to help troubleshoot the problem. You can see it here. Could you tell me how long you've been using it when it overheats? So, for the second example, we cover shipping issues. Here, if a user hasn't received an item such as a router, the AI learns to categorize this under shipping issues and knows to ask for the order number to provide further assistance. So with these examples, the AI now has a template for responding to similar situations. By categorizing the query correctly, it can provide more accurate and helpful responses. So let's test it out. I will enter a new query. So here's my query. My headphones stopped working after 1 month. What should I do? So let's run this query. And as you can see, here's a response. Notice how the AI applies the few shot learning from our examples. It classifies the complaint as a product quality issue and follows up by asking for more details about the problem, just as we trained it to. Here's another example. I will put the following text here. I ordered a router a week ago, but haven't received it yet. Let's run it. And as you can see, it was classified as a shipping issue. And one more example. I'm unhappy with how my complaint was handled previously. Can I speak to a manager? And it was classified as a customer service, and there are some more details. And the last one, why did the price for my subscription suddenly increase? It was classified as a pricing complaint, and there are some more details and the question to the user. So this demonstrates the power of few-shot prompting. With just a few well-chosen examples, we've effectively directed the AI to handle queries across different categories, ensuring it can adapt to various customer needs without extensive training data. Mm, as you can see, the model uses the context from our examples to categorize the new feedback accurately. This technique is not just about efficiency, it's about precision. With just a few examples, the model adapts to new tasks or changes in context, saving considerable time and resources. The main advantages of few-shot prompting include improved accuracy since the model generates responses to specific requirements. It's also highly efficient, allowing for rapid adaptation to new tasks, and it's scalable, which means solutions can be applied across different domains without overhauling the entire system. However, there are some limitations. The quality of the examples that are provided is crucial. Poor examples can lead to misguided responses. Additionally, while it's effective for tasks with well defined output structures, this method might struggle with highly complex or novel scenarios that aren't well represented by the examples. So, understanding these pros and cons help us better integrate few-shot prompting into our AI tools, ensuring we leverage its benefits while being aware of its constraints. So this is it for few-shot prompting. Experiment with it in your own projects and see how a few well-chosen examples can significantly enhance the performance of your AI models. Stay tuned for more insights into prompt engineering techniques. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments below.
So this quick guide should help you navigate and utilize the OpenAI platform effectively, allowing you to interact with the model to classify text sentiments accurately with zero-shot prompting technique.